Welcome to D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi. This is the best campus for quality education, research, innovations, development. And this conducive environment for the education is provided by Honorable Sri Satesh Ji Patil, who is the chairman of this D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, and it is backbone by Honorable Colonel S.K. Joshi sir. I am Dr. Vijay Vade, principal of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, Akurdi. I am representing the very prestigious college which has got the legacy of the 36 years of the quality education in Maharashtra. Let me tell you about the proud that this college is now considered into the top 10 in Maharashtra as far as the quality of education is concerned, as this college is affiliated to Savitribai Phule University, affiliated to the All India Council Technical Education, and it is accredited by NAC A grade. Whenever you come here into the serene green and serene campus, you can take the darshan of Ma Saraswati. Ma Saraswati's blessings, the students come and take the blessing for their best of the best quality education in this D.Y. Patil Educational Complex. Here you will find a very conducive, very nice environment so that the student can breathe properly. This is very essential into this COVID pandemic situation. The campus, whenever the students come into this particular campus, they feel that they have entered into the international campus. I am sure that this green and serene campus, which has been created by Honorable Satesh Patil sir and Honorable Colonel S.K. Joshi sir, this is really world-class campus for the sake of students, and the students will enjoy, relax and take the research, innovation, based education, problem-solving based education, project-based learning education, every online education, offline education. Very rich faculties are here. Today we have entered into the training and placement department of D.Y. Patil Educational Complex. Is one of the best facility ever in the campus. You can see here, as far as the placement activity is concerned, there are more than 200 companies are representing and coming here for placement. Let me introduce here to the stalwarts in the field of the training and placement department. Dr. Jasmita madam is here to spell up about the training and placement activity. Over to Jasmita madam.
Thank you, sir. A very good morning to all the viewers. Let me first introduce our small team that we have of the Central Corporate Relations and Placement Cell at Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex in Akurdi. This is a small setup that we have, comprising of GD rooms as well as PI rooms of our campus. The campus ensures that the students are provided with requisite trainings to enhance their overall employability, to ensure that when students face campus hiring process, they face the process with ease and with comfort. Thank you.
We are now in the workshop where the two important vehicles have been designed here by our students of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering. One is named as a Predator, and this is for the Baha competition, and this is Predator 2 version, and we do have another competitions which is being played across the Maharashtra and India, that is called as the Supra competition. This particular vehicle has actually bagged the first prize across the nation as well as the 8 positions in globe. Let me tell you that all the design and development and manufacture has been taken place into this particular workshop. Not only this competition which has been taken place there as per the Baha competition, here the Supra competition which was done, and this is the vehicle who had won again the first prize. Let me tell you, the students of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi are the pioneer in design, development, testings and validation. Welcome to Virtusa Center of Excellence. This is the Center for the Robotic Process Automations. I would like to introduce to Dr. Priti Patil, Head of Department of Information Technology. Please explore about this center, ma'am.
Hello everyone. This is the Virtusa Center of Excellence offered by in association with Virtusa and powered by Automation Anywhere. And we have got around 31 licenses from Automation Anywhere from Virtusa for this Center of Excellence to execute, wherein more than 500 students have been trained from third year engineering of IT, computer, ENTC and instrumentation department. And we have seen that our students have been participating in various botathon competitions, and they have been winning very good prizes of worth 2.5 lakhs and 50,000, 75,000 worth prizes under this Center of Excellence. And this was the first Center of Excellence established in association with Virtusa in Western Maharashtra region. Thank you.
Welcome to Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Lab, as well as the Cloud Computing Center. Dr. Vinay Kotawal is here. He is the Head of Department of Computer Engineering. You please explore about this center. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. This is a Center of Excellence in Cloud and Artificial Intelligence in collaboration with ESTS Technologies Nasik. This collaboration started with an industrial visit, followed by a very valuable contribution in a very reputed competition called as Hackathon, followed by an immediate recruitment from ESDS. As you can see, we got licenses of cloud softwares from ESDS, where faculties and students got exposure to their cloud platform, which is a patented Enlight cloud that we got for this particular Center of Excellence. Along with this cloud computing lab, we have Center of Excellence in Artificial Intelligence, which is a booming area of research. In this Center of Excellence, we have covered various open source technologies and softwares for the students that they can cover, that they can use for their projects, for their industrial internships and for their recruitment purpose.
Here I am going to introduce you to the place where the students of D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, can come and sit here for the sake of taking tiffin, as well as for the taking the snacks, and sit here and relax for certain contemplations about their studies. During the break, most of approximately 200 to 300 students can come and take the benefit of this particular place. This is the best place for the students to enjoy the culture of the research, innovations, development and the conducive environment for the sake of study and best enriched academics here. Today I am going to introduce to you stalwarts in the D.Y. Patil Educational Complex, who is the admission authority here, Dr. K.T. Zadav. I will be requesting him to brief about the DT admission process and admission process in D.Y. Patil Educational Complex. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Just now we have finished Maharashtra CET for engineering, pharmacy and other courses. 2 more days government has increased for the students, those who could not appear for the Maharashtra CET. And we are hoping that by the end of the October, the results will come out. Maybe by the first week of November, the admission process will be commenced by the DTE. The registration process for the centralized admission process will be started by the Director of Technical Education. The students can log in to www.dtemaharashtra.gov.in and they can register themselves. So meanwhile, the government of Maharashtra will resolve all the problems related to the admission process. May the first round of the CAP will start by the 2nd or the 3rd week of November. Maybe this year only 2 CAP rounds will be conducted because of the time constraint and because of the COVID-19. So maybe the whole process will get completed by the 1st or the 2nd week of December, and by the 15th of December, the new academic session will be commenced by Government of Maharashtra. So meanwhile, I would like to appeal all the students and their parents that visit the colleges where you want to take admission, see their placements, their infrastructure, their facilities and their academic standard. And you can visit Dr. D.Y. Patil Educational Complex. This is one of the best campus in Pune University. So I would like to appeal the students and their parents to collect the documents required for the admission process. At the end, I would like to wishing the students all the best for your bright career. Thank you.